Hello, Namaste. Welcome to Simply Organized. We all have to prep, cook, and clean up our kitchen on every single day. But there are ways to make it a lot easier. Especially to save time in the kitchen, these tips will definitely help you. So let's get started. Always start your day with a clean kitchen. I know most of you are already following this tip, but it will save time in the kitchen more than anything else. It will set you up for a less stressful and more productive morning. It gives you a jump start to your day so you are not dealing with last night dishes and picking up the clutter that was left from the night before. If you really want to save time in the kitchen, then have a meal plan at least for a week. Your meal plan doesn't have to take a lot of time to make it. Keep it simple and according to the groceries you have, write down everything that goes for the breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Along with meal plan, preparation is the key to save time in the kitchen. But don't get overwhelmed by doing it all at once. I usually do it twice a week, and even prepping just one meal ahead will also save you a lot of time. I mostly do my fridge cleaning and grocery shopping on the same day. This is because the fridge is mostly empty on that day and will be easy to clean. By keeping up with this weekly fridge cleaning routine, will saves you plenty of time dealing with food spills and clutter later on. And it will also make space for new and fresh groceries. Pantry is not the only place where we get benefit from labeling. So before you freeze anything, label the ingredient and the date it was made, so that you don't need to spend time searching with unlabeled items in the freezer. It will make your life so much easier when you can see everything at a glance. Chopping veggies in daily cooking is a time consuming task. Since there are many kitchen tool options available in the market, why not we use them to make the cutting and chopping process easier? We have a dedicated video on our channel on various kitchen tool options that really saves us a lot of time in the kitchen. If you would like to watch it, there is an I button on the top and also have provided the link in the description box below. But make sure whatever you buy that they are easy to clean and maintain. Otherwise, they will make your job more difficult when you clean them. When preparing fried onions for biryani or for any other dish, then use the slicer if you want the onions to be sliced evenly and thinly. And the slicer also comes with an attachment like this, which is especially for slicing dry fruits like pista, badam and cashew. Usually, dishwashing liquids don't come with a dispensing pump. Of course, it doesn't matter to some extent, but when the liquid is at the bottom of the bottle, it takes time for the liquid to come out. So here is the solution for that. Use this kind of soap dispenser to save time while cleaning dishes. Then use the included sponge to press down on the pump, which dispenses the perfect amount of soap upon to the sponge. We all use mixer almost on every day. So the sharpness of those mixer blades will become dull after a few days of use. To sharpen them again, add rock salt into the mixer and run it for 30 seconds. Doing this once a month will keep those blades always sharp. That's all for today, and subscribe to my channel for such more videos. And I'll see you in the next week. Until then, take care and bye.